Welcome back to this video.
Good morning, happy Mommy Monday. By time this video is up, I will have gotten through the first week of summer, and I made it. It wasn't that bad really, it was pretty easy. And by the time this video goes up, we will have gone to Boy Scout camp out. What do you call that? I don't know. It should be fun. Yeah, pretty uneventful week actually. And I barely got any sleep last night. So I'm soaking in face oils and moisturizer and eye cream right now. No makeup because I don't want to. So hope you enjoy that I'm just trying to keep it real because this is how I look all the time. I am a hot mess mom. I really am. And I got my positive energy tea going here. It's still really hot, so I'm actually gonna wait on that. But I wanted to try something out today. I just got my order from Brandless, and let's see here. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. And if you're interested, cool. If not, then don't watch, I guess. I don't know. But I ordered from them before, and I've liked everything I've got. So I got some new stuff, and I got some pita chips. They're with sea salt. They're non-GMO, vegan, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. I really like that. And one cool thing is, when I put in my order, they actually donate a meal to Hungry. So I thought that was really neat. And their prices are awesome, like $3. Pretty much everything is $3. They've added a lot to their website, so you should go check it out because they have everything from like kitchenware to vitamins and protein powder and snacks and cooking stuff. Like, I have a lot of their stuff. It's pretty good. I've gotten pasta. These are pretzel thins, sea salt also, non-GMO, vegan, no artificial colors or flavors, no artificial preservatives. So awesome. Can't wait to try that. And then I wanted to try, I've never tried these from them before. I got like a few, but I got the women's multivitamin. Non-GMO, excellent source of A, E, and B vitamins, 30 in there. This is $3, I believe. Okay, and I got a digestive and immune biotic, non-GMO, boom. I like their simple packaging. Is that weird? I also have been having a lot of problems with my foot and my ankle. They swell up really bad if I just, move, try to do everyday life. So I got this turmeric and black pepper supplement here. It's supposed to help with, I think, swelling and all that stuff. So I thought I would try that out. And I got a greens and antioxidant blend because I'm going to keep it real. I don't eat enough vegetables because I don't like them, most of them. Moving on. I got some more snacks because my two big kids will be back this week. Glazed almonds, non-GMO, and they're cinnamon. So maybe I got these for me. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors. So yum. I love cinnamon almonds. A little beat up right there, but whatever. Unflavored plant protein. I like to do the Panera Copycat smoothie in the morning. It's I think it's a half cup peaches, half cup mango, a cup and a half of spinach, and a half cup each of white grape juice and passion fruit juice. And it tastes just like the Panera green smoothie. That is my obsession. So I was using a collagen protein in there, but I ran out. So I just thought I would try this out. I know it's not collagen, but I thought I would just try it because I've tried another plant protein and I hated it. Hated it. The girl who doesn't like vegetables. Imagine that. Got this for my kids. Some kids gummy multivitamins. Organic, excellent source of vitamin D, helps support immune health, and vegan. They're really cute. We go through vitamins like crazy here because I have 3 kids, so it's like I need them on bulk. Roasted and salted almonds. Could you tell maybe I was a little hungry when I made this order? Like, give me my snacks. What else do I got here? Ooh, what is this? I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh, okay. That's why I smell something. I got lemon essential oil. Non-GMO, 100% pure, cold pressed. Love it. And the other one is the one I smell, eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus. But oils are pretty expensive, so I thought I would try those out. This next one I got from a little Hey applesauce pouches, because we are like always on the go. And they're organic, no preservatives, gluten, nut, and dairy free. So pretty cute. I think they're just the standard pouch. Yep. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. And then I got these for free because I had a little promo code. I think it was like dish pods or something like that. Dishwasher detergent packs, EPA Safer Choice certified, non-toxic formula, chlorine, bleach free, cleans tough food stains, and fragrance free. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna try those out today. But yeah, that was my order. I kind of got a hodgepodge of things. It's like I either wanted snacks or I wanted to be healthy. I don't know. I can't really make up my mind apparently. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great Monday. This is a pretty quick video. I hope it's quick because sometimes I think I'm moving quickly. And then I'm like, Brittany, how do you have an hour of footage? And it's mainly me just going, Bella, be quiet. Harrison, what are you doing? Are you playing Minecraft? That is my life. Hey, Harrison. What? Do you want to come say hi? On my video? Yes. Well, come here. I am coming. Okay. Come here.
Hello.
Oh, get up here first. This is Hey. How old are you, Hey?
4.
And do you always have a messy face?
Yes.
Look what Mommy got you. Applesauce.
I want it.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Boom. Is it good? Is it Hey approved? Yeah. Oh, you're going to finish it real quick, huh? Do you want to try your new vitamin?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so it says children 2 to 3 years, 1 gummy. Children 4+, 2 gummies. How old did you say you were again?
4.
Oh, you're 4?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, tell everybody what you just graduated from.
Preschool.
Preschool. Do you know what grade you're going to go into?
Young 5.
Yeah. All right, so let's get 2 gummies. Try one first. Tell me if they're good.
Good.
Do you feel healthier?
Mm-hmm.
All right. They seem to be Hey approved too, so let's say goodbye, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Hope you give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and I hope we will get better at putting more videos up. Bye, everybody.
You made the video?
I did.
Oh.
You're on the internet. You're going to be on YouTube.
What?
Yeah.
I was just kidding of the channel. I don't. Welcome back to this video.
Is this the Hey show?
Yes.
Is it a good show?
Yes.
What are you going to tell me?
There's makeup in this video.
There's makeup?
Yes.
Oh, you're rattling everything.
We have these.
Oh.
And we have a little bit of that coffee.
That's tea.
And then these. And then this, I ate all of this.
Your applesauce?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
And you know these, right?
Those are pretzel chips.
And I want some.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye.